Hey guys, Matt here at Tri-State Bobcat. Wanted to go through a new unit that we just got in here from Bobcat. It's an MT120. Couple differences. Wanted to do just kind of a quick walk around on it. Couple differences that you'll notice right away. It comes with a wide track. Can lift up to 1,200 pounds versus the MT100 1,000 pounds. Has about 8 inches more lift. Controls we'll go through here in a second, but really nice unit. Couple other differences on this one. Lift reach is another 22 inches instead of 18.6. A little bit more horsepower over the MT100. Also has no DPF. Has a direct drive system and integrated ride-on platform. The other nice thing too, big change here is the controls. And I think that's where we're going to spend a lot of time here on this one, is just going through what the differences are there. You have your, looks like some cup holders there for your water and beverages. But, you know, something that you guys know and have seen before is the MT100. This one, the big thing is the controls, which we'll go through. Has an integrated touch screen with password protection. And that's obviously a color screen. But if you have any questions on, again, this one, you can be seen at all our locations at Tri-State. So Hudson, St. Croix, Burnsville, and Little Canada. This one specifically is in Little Canada. And we'll add on the controls here in just a second. Hey, we're back here to go through the controls here. That's your platform that you can stand on. Obviously has the hydraulic pedal that locks it in for you. Has a little storage area that you can open up here. Store your phone. There's actual USB in there. And then, you know, when you get up in the platform, this is the probably the coolest part of this machine. So you can password protect the screen in there. And on the left side, it has your controls here, as you can see, with the joystick. Super user-friendly. If you do joystick type machines on the Bobcats right now, this is going to be all familiar for you. Throttle control is here. And then obviously your controls with your hydraulics right here. Again, to give you a picture of that, for all your motions, but super smooth operation, real neat. We'll have somebody operate it here so you can kind of see what it looks like. But you know, the setup is really awesome. There's really good feedback as far as control, being able to maneuver, and this does about 4.7 miles per hour. As you can see, little motion light here saying the fuel's low. But if you have any questions on this one, give us a call here at Tri-State. Again, this one is at all of our locations now, and just wanted to go through a video with you on this. We'll be back here in a second to go through the operation. Thanks. All right, guys, we're back. Just wanted to show you the operation of the arms. Again, something that you're gonna know, but obviously with the joystick control, being able to move those around. See the articulation. And again, your hydraulics on this can be operated right from there, right on the joystick. That's the beauty of the machine and the way this operates. Pretty cool setup. Again, if you have any questions on this, let us know. We're at Tri-State Bobcat in all 4 locations.